Hello, guys. Now I have my thumbnail.
I was about to go on Slime Rancher while I actually already have.
But now we need to record another video.
Wait, what?
And also we realised that with an iPad you can't do any live streams. So...
Wait, can't you?
Is this right? I don't know. All I see is the camera. Pink.
No.
Black.
No.
Rumour has eat Bob Human, please.
Yes, have a chicken. Any chicken you like. And now I'm going to play Fortnite.
And don't do it in front of
I went on a random chooser and it said we have to play on
Slime Rancher.
no, first it said Dungeon Defenders and then
It says Slime Rancher because, like, screw that game. I've never played that game before, actually.
it isn't actually too good, I don't really like it. Unless you guys want to
By the way,
see me play it, I'm not too good.
Guys, by the way, just I was on it, and then before that, went on Call of Duty, and that was pretty good.
Talk to all the cruel people out there. I didn't say cruel.
What are those? I've never
Those Quintarian. These are Quintarian slimes. The dead dog, yeah. Oh yeah. Those Quintarian claws.
Yeah.
I think that's how you say it anyway. So
How the hell did you get those?
I went to a place called Ancient Ruins. You guys out there ever can play this game, then play it because it's dead good.
Yeah, it is, to be honest.
It's dead cute. I've seen Down to the End play it.
Yeah. I wonder if he still plays it now.
He said it was. I think he said that it was one of the cutest games this year. Oh, why do I keep on doing that?
Darn it.
Okay, I know what to do.
Darn it on my phone.
So today we're going to.
This
This is the overgrowth. Have loads of chickens
overgrowth,
here.
I don't know. Call it whatever you want.
Overgrowth.
Okay,
That's what it's called.
Okay, overgrowth. Let's go to the overgrowth.
So now we're gonna go in the wilds, and you guys are gonna see how hard it is. There we go.
For a second, I thought you brought
Okay, music.
that place thing.
It's that hard to say.
What's that hard to see?
Like so say on the viewer, it's dead hard to say. Okay, so here we. It's that glitchy too. I don't know what this place. I mean, I've been here before, and I've come.
Yeah, we have been there millions of times.
Okay.
And by the
What's
way, we
this?
don't share.
Back as wild and cutting. It's because of. It's because of the reason why it says go back in the wilds again is because of already
Been
being in
there.
the wilds.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
I
I'm
like
gonna
you
go-
play it because then you can tell me stuff.
Yeah, my brother, and look, it's day 180.
Yes, and I'm only on day 80, and that's why I don't play on the PS4 that much. Hey Ollie, do you want to hear something which is
What?
Halloween? It's an emo in Fortnite.
No. I'm going to show you guys how to get a tar. And tars are vicious. You really don't want them, but so I have this plot and there's this larger, right? I'm going to. There we go. There's the tar.
So it's
Tar will hurt
basically like a pink slime eats a different plot and then it gets bigger.
you.
And
Now,
then
how to use these? I'm gonna go into Haven. To be honest, I don't really do this much. Should probably do it more. Oh, but with the camera though, it's dead hard to see. So if I go a little bit, bad, then don't. There we go. In my face. Yeah. Definitely, you have to be so vicious.
what?
Yeah, those.
What
those
is
are
behind you?
rat slime.
No,
Oh
It
Jesus,
was-
there's a hunter.
it
I
was
hate hunters.
like
Hate
it was a yellow flappy thing
yellow flappy thing.
behind you. Yeah,
I just go.
there's two
bonkers.
Kubadoras.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure what.
Are you sure you're alive?
Yes, I am sure I am alive.
Jesus. It's that hard with the camera. I'm way better without the camera. I'm just trying my best. Okay? Don't judge me.
I shall judge you.
Am I
That's
good?
No, you are
No,
terrible.
give me that.
You are absolute terrible.
What? Did you guys have to feed a slime? There you go. There's a vile one. Set back. I am actually used to this game, so you guys. If I ever get a phone, then you'll see me better. See 13 Koopadoopers. How long has it been? 8 minutes recording. Time goes fast in the 6 weeks holidays. Oh yeah. I
It's
know
not the
this place.
6 weeks holidays.
I'm so used to saying it. Okay. Okay. Now the end of the Wales is dead near now. You guys, yeah, there we go. Hold on, let me just 1 sec. I'll just feed this to machines. And I have survived. There we go. There you go. Too good for you. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get out of here. No, I'm gonna try something. What's that? I'm gonna try. It might. I don't think it'll work, but we'll have to give it a try. Maybe it could. Maybe. No, it's too close. But is this enough? There we go, there we go. That's good.
Take one.
Okay, I think that's good. Okay. Okay. So now you guys can watch me play. Next time, tell me in the comments any game what I should play. Like, I have Dungeon Defenders. Some of the games that you might say I don't have, like, I have Minecraft, I have this game, obviously. Why do these things keep on... That guy just went through a wall. Today's glitchy.
For me, it wasn't glitchy.
Oh, what is wrong with this game?
Nothing is wrong with it.
Yeah, this guy's about to...
Bath.
It's about to go out of existence. Yeah, this guy's about to go out of existence. Not like you guys. You guys, I'm gonna take you on a little tour.
Around?
I know. I'm gonna take you on a tour around this place. So here's the whole entire map. And
But what happens if
what
happens if they already
Like.
play Slime Rancher? Well, I'll just show it them anyway.
Yeah. Spoiler warning if you don't. If you
Skip it if you don't want to see it, or if you already
skip
know
it. Skip it.
Or if you really like us and you don't want to miss anything good for you, and just watch it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
We have to keep on saying yeah.
Oh!
No, turn that down! What the heck was that? Okay.
They
You
have
guys might even not know about this area.
some. It's
And
that
actually
they've added a new mod, and it's that
Yeah, we have a mod.
they added zombies to Fortnite, but the zombies
Oh.
are actually football players. For some reason, I don't know why.
So here, you guys, we have Toby Slime. Toby Slimes only eat meat, and this is a pink slime. It eats anything.
And it doesn't even. And it
And here's some meat. And eats it. Let's see if it will. There's a tabby plot, which basically how to play the game. You sell the plots. See, it's eating it now.
to get money.
Sell the plots out to get money. Yeah. Sell our dump to eat money. This is going to be quite a long video, actually.
Is it?
Maybe.
Now
Is it
this
now?
is glitching gully.
So we're in the dry reef.
And some of the places what Ollie has, I don't have.
Yeah, like the ancient ruins. Actually, I don't know where to go to. Let's go to the quarry. Yeah, I want to go to the quarry. I think most of you guys won't know what the quarry is. So. First, I'm gonna get some water though. You can actually only buy the water. You can actually only buy the water tanks. Oh yeah, something else I want to show you. Rock slime. These come out at night, and they only eat fruit. And these only eat vegetables, and they come out every day. And night. So basically, this is kind of a tutorial, I guess. How to play the game. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the tar. There's a tar. Oh god. Oh yeah, I want to show you something. But these kill. Water kills this. I'm not gonna kill all of them because I don't want to. But this path leads to
Not over there, and then I will show you the ancient ruins and how. Yeah, there's ferrous slimes there, like the ones in the wild. Anyway, yeah, you need, if you have a slime key, then use it on this area here. Oh yeah, Rustro. There's a meat too. Look. The quarry. This is the Indogene quarry. I don't know how to say it. Carrots are here. Oh yeah, a boom slime. Boom slime. They're called boom slimes for a reason, not because it's a good name. These things are useless one. Oh yeah, these are treasure pods. You can open these and get some stuff. As soon as we once we exit the ancient ruins and go into the moss blanket, it's probably gonna be the end of the tour. Oh yeah, here's the teleporter. It teleports you right back to your house, but I'm not going to go in there. And here's some ornaments. Lucky ornament. These things just have meat on the dead rare to get, but luckily I have found about 3 of them. Gold slimes are probably the rarest thing you can get in this game. Oh, and also I can take this in. Yeah, here's the refinery. You'll learn about that. And you can just take all of these in. There. Science stuff in this game. If you like science and play this game, yeah. Kind of blocks. So impossible. There we go. Beep. I think take a couple of pots. There's a pool. I'm not gonna grind it down. Hold on. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to turn back. I went on the wrong way. I guess I might make a second storage video if you want me to. Make a second storage video if you want me to. I hope that was all recording. What? Red slimes here. Radiation. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna cut it short now. Once we reach the ancient ruins, that's gonna be the end. Well, when we reach there and then gone through parts of it, probably show you in another video. I'm gonna have to use a random thing, or you guys can, on this video, keep on checking. Tell you what, tomorrow on the 1st of November, let's do a special actually. What kind of special do you guys want? Because it's not my opinion now. It's just, I might die over here. Oh. Oh, I don't think I can reach it. I'm gonna die. Oh no. Damn it to you guys.
They did nothing.
Well, I hope it'll still recording then though. Or maybe I just spawned it and it was only like 2 minutes. So that'd be a big waste if I think I'm jigged. Don't rest much in minutes. Which one do you guys want? 3, 2, 1, and you didn't type. Never mind then. Can't get hunter slimes. So what? I'm gonna show you guys the grotto. And that's gonna make it so today's video. Jesus. Pretend it never happened. Pretend it never happened. Please, please, please go away. Okay, so here's the grotto. Here's the grotto. And like that. Can buy this. You know what? I'm gonna show you somewhere else. Which, oh yeah, teleporter. We're back here again. That leads there, so I think that's it. So thank you for watching our video, and